Hi guys, a variation on a theme inspired by Lidmotor. A while back I did this wind-up car designed by GrandadIsAnOldMan, and Lidmotor liked it and he did one too. He then had an idea where he used the spring to power a car rather like a mousetrap powered car, which I do quite a few. So I saw his and I was inspired to have a go myself. Now he used just some wooden rulers and some popsicle sticks and things like that to make his chassis, and then just strapped the spring on top of it and put a lever on it so you could lever the back axle. I'm going to use this one. It's a rubber band powered car that I made recently. In fact, first of all I made it using these wheels, which are the platters from hard discs. And then because I'd got these tyres from radio controlled cars laying around, I had to go using them too. And these give much better grip, but they're smaller so it doesn't go as far. Anyway, so this is ready made. So I had an idea about how I could put a spring on it with a lever and see if we can turn the back axle with it. So it's similar to a mousetrap powered car in that you're using a spring rather than a rubber band. So as I pull the lever forwards, it's going to coil the spring up. That attaches to the back axle with a bit of string, and then when we release it, the spring will make that go up and that will spin the wheels. So I don't need these rubber bands. I don't need these things here that I glued in place, but I think I can get them out if I'm lucky. I'll work on that off screen. Then this is the framework that I've made. Which we'll probably glue together. I can get it to actually fit together. Might need to file it a little bit to make them fit. Okay, that's going to fit there. That's going to fit in there. That's going to go through the bottom to hold the bottom of the spring in place. That's going to go through there, through the middle of the spring. And then that goes on the outside. To do that, I have to make sure we get it the right way round so the spring coils up as we turn it. Yeah. So that's going to have to mount on there. I'll probably either glue it or strap it in place and see if it works. So there we are, assembled. Time for a test run. Well, we're not going to win any prizes for speed or distance. Yeah, we didn't build up much momentum there, so it's purely on the powered distance. There's no freewheel afterwards. I expect if I played around with the wheel sizes, we could get a better distance, because we certainly don't need these extra grippy tyres like this. I could have thinner tyres, less weight, probably bigger wheels on the front, just make it sort of level. But we did, that's about 3 meters, that's the length of my conservatory. Yeah, it works. It's not fantastic, but it works. Just in case you're wondering, I did try it with those wheels. They're quite heavy and it didn't go quite as far. So that's why somewhere between the two, I should think thinner wheels and maybe balance up the front wheels as well. If you're interested, the rubber band powered car that I did is on my Put a Rubber Band on It channel, and the one with those discs is number 350 and the one with these wheels is number 351. All the videos are numbered, so that's how you can find it. Check the video description, I'll probably put a link in there anyway. We're going to have another run because I just had an idea. We're only using half a turn there, from there to there. So we're not really tensioning that spring very far. So what I've done is I've twisted the spring a quarter of a turn and then put my lever on it, which is why it's now pushing down hard there. So that means we'll be giving it more tension. So we'll get more power out of it. Because we might snap the spring. We started off faster and we went a little bit further because we've now got the problem that arm comes all the way over and rubs on the floor. So we'd have to do a redesign if we wanted to do that. We'd have to put something here, a stop. That needs to be just here where my finger is. A stop there to stop it going all the way down and hitting the floor. And then it would be able to freewheel a bit. There's a thought. There might be a version 2 to this. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.